Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, mag-artist feature tayo at kikilalanin natin si SR, isang solo artist at alamin natin ang kanyang musika. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! SR Paiva is an indie artist from Altavas, Aklan. She started as a bassist, rhythm guitarist, and songwriter for various bands in the indie scene, often played at local bars and music events. Her genre is mostly alternative pop rock that deals with life, love, and loss. She wants to share stories through songs that seem to be her battle scars in life. She hopes that her songs will be an inspiration to others. So nakilala ko si SR sa Musika Patiran dahil isa rin siya sa mga nag-perform sa tribute night para kay Jeffrey Parayaw. At doon pinakita niya ang kanyang musika, talagang lubos akong humanga. So, I want to share this video that I had on her performance sa tribute night para kay Jeffrey Parayaw. So, I hope you like this video. And that was SR's
live performance sa tribute night para kay Jeffrey Parayao. So, overall, ang masasabi ko kay SR ay she's a wonderful singer, no? I really love her voice. It really reminds me ng mga pop punk musicians, and she's really fit on her voice, no? Napaka-sweet ng boses niya, talagang na-enjoy ko pag pinakikinggan ko siyang kumanta. So, talagang napahanga ako nung napanood ko siya ng live. I can say na, no, na she can carry the audience kahit duo lang sila nagper-perform sa stage. Talagang maraming mapapawaw sa kanyang performance. And I'm not exaggerating dahil talagang she showed it when she performed on stage, no? So, I strongly suggest check out nyo yung mga live performances ni SR. Available yun sa page niya. Kung free kayo at gusto nyo mapanood ng kanyang performance, panoorin nyo siya. Talagang ang solid ng niya, ng live performance niya. At the same time, meron din siyang Spotify, kaya check out din nyo yung kanyang mga music dyan. Talagang bibilib kayo sa kanya. So, please do support our local scene dahil napakagaling at napakaraming magagaling na musikero sa ating industry. Talagang underutilized lang, hindi masyadong na-expose ng mainstream media, pero sa totoo lang, with the age of the social media right now, there's a lot of hidden gems out there. Kasama dyan si SR, napakagaling niya, kaya check out no kanyang musika.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo kay SR. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!